Have you noticed your skin becoming thinner, your joints feeling stiffer, or your legs getting weaker as you get older? If you're over 60, your body naturally produces less collagen every year. But here's the good news. You don't always need expensive supplements. Some of the best foods for supporting your body's natural collagen production are simple vegetables you can find at almost any grocery store. Stay with me until the end, because the #1 vegetable may surprise you, and it's one of the most powerful foods for supporting healthy joints, skin, and mobility. Let's get started. Number 8. Watercress. This leafy green is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that help protect existing collagen while supporting your body's natural collagen-building process. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Rich in beta-carotene, they help your body produce vitamin A, an important nutrient for healthy skin and tissue repair. Number 6. Red bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are among the richest natural sources of vitamin C, a nutrient your body absolutely needs to produce collagen. Number 5. Kale. Loaded with vitamins C and K, kale supports healthy skin, bones, and connective tissues while helping protect your cells from damage. Number 4. Broccoli. This nutritional powerhouse contains vitamin C and sulforaphane, compounds that help protect your body's cells from oxidative stress. Number 3. Asparagus. It's full of folate, vitamin E, and antioxidants that support healthy circulation and overall tissue health. Number 2. Parsley. Don't underestimate this simple herb. It's packed with vitamin C and plant compounds that help support healthy collagen production and reduce inflammation. And number 1. Okra. Often overlooked, okra provides vitamin C, magnesium, and fiber that support healthy skin, joints, digestion, and overall wellness. It's an easy vegetable to add to soups, stews, or simply roast in the oven. Remember, no single food is a miracle cure, but eating a variety of nutrient-rich vegetables every day gives your body the building blocks it needs to maintain healthy collagen, strong joints, and better mobility as you age. Which of these vegetables do you already eat? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching from Facebook or Instagram, make sure to follow so you never miss our health tips. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment which country you're watching from. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.